Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to implement an AND logic in our program, and it consists of 2 contacts and 1 coil. Before doing it, I've already mapped all the inputs and outputs of the controller here, as shown in some previous videos. Now, to do the AND logic, I'll create another network, add a contact and another one, so they stay in series, and finally a coil. Now I'll assign an input to each one of these contacts. Let's use input 1, so it stays consistent. Input 1 and input 2. And finally for the coil, I use output 1. Now let's test this logic. I'll click the login button. Then put the controller in run mode. Now let's change this contact's state by pressing Ctrl F7. And as you can see, the coil didn't activate because this contact right here, input 2, is blocking the signal. So if you really want to send the signal to output 1, we have to also enable input 2. I'll do that right now. And there you have it, an AND logic. That's it for today's video, and I see you on the next one.